Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should begin by making sure WhatsApp is updated and microphone and storage permissions are enabled. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, open the chat containing the voice note or the call recording you want to transcribe, because the feature works from the message menu. Tap and hold the voice message to reveal options or open the recording player. This is your first actionable step toward transcription, so start here and keep the message selected. Now tap the message menu and select Transcribe or Convert to Text. This triggers the speech-to-text engine. Make sure to select the correct language or dialect when prompted, because accuracy depends on this choice. While the system processes the audio, keep the app open and avoid switching heavy tasks. Longer clips or low-bandwidth networks slow the job. If you need higher fidelity, consider splitting very long recordings into shorter segments to reduce errors and processing time. You must review the transcript carefully, because automated text can mishear names, acronyms, or slang. Edit inline before sharing. Once satisfied, use the message options to copy, save, or forward the transcript to others. If the transcription fails or looks garbled, retry while connected to stable Wi-Fi, lower background noise, or re-record the voice note closer to the speaker. This troubleshooting tip often fixes accuracy problems and keeps the workflow moving smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.